Hey folks, welcome to the second homepage of Osaka 2. And before we get started with the process, I just want to go over the layout real quick just so you kind of know what we will be building out within the next video. So heading over to the back end of our site, you'll add in your page title here. Next off, go over to the templates area, make sure that your page template is set to default. After that, head on over to custom header with slideshow. Make sure that this option is enabled and make sure that you have type B selected as your layout. As we scroll down, we do not have any further adjustments to make in this area other than the titles and whatnot. You then also need to select a slideshow for the following page. Heading over to text content area, this section needs to be disabled. We then head on over to the layout section, and if we take a quick look at our structure here, you'll see that our first section is called featured item under number 4.4.2. So click on add new block. Here we have featured item. Select either the blog post or the gallery post that you want to add it to this area. Adjust the blog title, the block label, and so forth, and that's pretty much it. So just make the title adjustments. There are no other color adjustments that we need to make in this area. Alright, so minimize that. Next off, we have section number 2, which is a text block. So click on add new block. Here we have the text block that we're using. For the bottom gutter, make sure that is minimized to 0 pixels. Also scroll down and minimize the title bottom margin to 0 pixels as well. And in this area, we only adjust the A2 title area, and that serves as the title area, like we have here, recent works, and then we have the following grid underneath. So that's the only purpose of the following text block. So we'll type in recent works. We will not be adding any additional content to the following area. Okay, so our next section is listing block 4.4.3. So click here. Here we have listing block. Select the type of content you want to showcase. However, before that, go ahead and select type C, which is the layout that we're using. There we go. Select the content, whether it's blog posts or gallery posts. Select the categories which you want to display. So it'll be love and friendship in my case. Scrolling further down, we need to change the item background color. This would be changed to black. So click here, and the item text color, this would need to be changed to white. This way we achieve the following effect, as you can see here. Okay, then for the number of posts per page, this is completely optional. Adjust that according to your requirements. Scrolling down for the gutter area, make sure this is set to 75 pixels. So I just recommend just to drag this and make sure that it's set to 75, and for the number of columns, adjust that to 3. Okay, and at this point, this is it for the following section. Our next area is called featured slideshow 4.3.5. So click here. Here we have featured slideshow. Select the slideshow that you want to add it to the following area. So click on add slide, upload your image, click on select, add in your label, and then also some text. I'll be using some dummy text as usual, just like so, and that's pretty much it at this point. In terms of colors, there aren't any adjustments that we need to make in the following area. So our next section would be area 4.3.3, block with links. So click here. Here we have block with links. Scroll down for the background color. Once we add in our link, the image and the link, we need to change the background color as well. So click here. Background color will be set to, here we have hashtag F9, F9, F9. So just copy paste that here, and then you add in your title and the link. Now repeat the process 2 more times, as in this section we are adding these 3 thumbnails. Okay, so repeat the process 2 more times. I'll speed up the following video for you guys. Okay, so that's it for this section. Let's head on over to our final area, which is the About block type A. So click Add Link once again. I'm sorry, not Add Link. When you remove that, click on Add Block, Add New Block at the bottom here. And here we have About block type A. Select this. Scroll down. We will need to change our background color. And for the color settings, we're using once again F9, F9, F9. So just add that here, and then change out your title. Add in your content to the following area, just like so. Also, for the featured image, add any image of preference to the following section. Next off, for the featured image description color, this also needs to be changed to F2, F2, F2. So once again, just copy paste the following color code into the designated area. Okay, and then as we scroll down, be sure that you disable section D. Alright, so at this point, this is it for the following page. We can scroll up and click on Publish. We will then go ahead and open up this page in a new tab. And here is the layout that we've built. Alright, so as you can see, everything is pretty nice and neatly organized. Let's do a quick comparison with what we have with our original page. So here we have the slideshows. As you can see, the layouts are identical. Next off, we have featured item underneath with recent works. And then we have a testimonials area, and that's followed by our browse by collection section. There we go. And then we have a short about me area. In this case, you can see that we just used a slightly different image in the following demo. It's a vertical image versus a horizontal. Other than that, everything else is exactly the same. So I hope everything makes sense in the following video, but as you can see, everything is super easy and simple with the homepage 2 layout. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys around in our next videos.